Hi, good morning, class 6. You all are doing well, I guess, and keeping home, keeping safe, being happy, and studying and playing and being with parents, having fun. That's all life is supposed to be for you. So you don't have to worry, just take things, go with the flow, and we'll overcome whatever we are facing. These are small challenges in life, and you are lucky that to watch this and feel this and go through it, because this is history. This is going to become history, it will come in the books. The pandemic, the worst pandemic after 1820, I guess. That was an epidemic, and this is a pandemic, and it's very sad. Anyways, so the show must go on, and we have to go ahead and do things, and rather we have to face this is life. So mask and sanitizer and social distancing, this has to be go on, and COVID will be there, corona will be there. It's like another virus, disease, or rather, we take vaccinations for polio, we take vaccinations for HB1, HB2, hepatitis, typhoid, yellow fever, and jaundice. So this is also a type of virus which is there. We have to take antibiotics for it, and generally it is see, medicines are for curing your disease once you get infected rather, but vaccination is to stop that coming to you. So to check your immune system, it helps your immune system to fight that oppressor who is going to oppress your mental, physical, and your function of your body. So that's why vaccinations are taken. But even after vaccination, we always have to be careful, because precaution is always better than cure. So your immune system has to be good. You have to eat well. See, you have to sleep well also, and you have to play. You have to have your body movements, to every day to. You have to feel everything in your life. You have to feel the atmosphere. You have to feel the climate. You have to go through it, and you have to eat also at the same time. The food according to seasons you have to eat, and sleep also that much. Oversleeping is bad, overeating is bad, overstudying is bad, everything is bad. Anything that is more than over is bad. Even if we eat too much, we might get loose motions, right? We might vomit, we might not feel well. If we walk too much, we will not feel well, we will feel giddy. So everything has that same proportion, that has to be an innovative proportion and disciplined life. Then I guess no disease is going to touch us, and that's what it's all about. We have to be careful, that's all, and it's nothing. It's a great lesson for all of us. As long as we are safe, and I pray to God every day, and I'm so thankful to Him that Hartford, all the children are kept well, happy, fit, and fine. And I pray for all the children of Muzaffarpur, all around India, and all around the world. That kids, yeah, you are the best ever thing can happen to any world is having so many kids and beautiful children. You are a replica of God itself. So you are wonderful human beings to be with. So thank you so much that I have the honor to be with you and share my feelings and my information, whatever I have, so that I guess, so that I can help you out. So long, so forth. So that's all I can say. So anyways, we are back to English, the fir tree, So we were talking about the fir tree. We came to know what is the Christmas tree, why it happened, what was all faith about, the Christian religion, the Christian faith, how it happened, and how did the tree come. And there was this small tree also, a fir tree in between so many big trees, big pine trees also, and if you go to a hilly side, you'll get to see pine trees and all, and fir trees. You go to Darjeeling is close from Bihar. You can go to Nepal, but Nepal you have to travel a lot to go and find out a tree, because Nepal's hills start after quite a long time, but Darjeeling is just from Siliguri also. You get fir trees and pine trees. So You will be able to notice that how they are there, because they only grow in cold weather. We do have some fir trees in our area also, in your area also you might be having, but it depends how long it's going to stay. It needs that climate. So this small tree is always wanting to grow big and see the skies, as per a child. So just think yourself as a tree. What all do you want? Because tree is a living thing. So tree also has got dreams. Tree also breathes. Tree also eats. Tree also makes its food. It doesn't go to school, but it helps us a lot. It gives us fuel. It gives us shade. It gives us oxygen. It gives us everything. It keeps the earth holding together. It does a great job. So trees are very important in life. So we have to put ourselves in their shoes. We have to think as a tree. What you think. You want to grow big. You want to see the world. You want to do this. You want to see the skies. You want to travel. So same thing as the tree is also wanting. When someone oppresses you, when someone says, "Hey, don't do this, don't do that. You are small," then you get irritated. You say, "Wait, let me grow up. Then I'll show you what I'm going to do." So just the rabbit disturbs the tree, he comes and jumps over him. He says, "What is this? I'm a tree and people are coming and jumping over me," which is not done. I don't like that. I also want to get tall, grow old and see what's happening all around the world. So in autumn, woodcutters always came and felled some of the largest trees. Then they were laid in carts. Sorry, I'll just start from where we left, okay? So I'm very sorry. In winter, when the snow lay glittering on the ground, a hare would often come leaping along. A hare is a rabbit. They are all clans of rabbits, but there are different. A hare is a bigger size. The color is not so white. It's like that whitish brownish color. Yes. In winter, when the snow lay glittering on the ground, glittering, shining, snow when it's laying on the ground, it glitters. A hare would often come leaping along. Hares jump around. Rabbits don't run, they jump and run. And jump right over the little tree. He would come and jump over him. Oh, that made him so angry. To grow and grow, to get older and be tall, thought the tree. That after all is the most delightful thing in the world. To grow tall, that's the only thing after all will be the greatest thing in the world. It is called a sinking in this sentence. So that no one is going to come and jump over him. He will try to be senior, He'll try to show himself that he's senior. Now like you have come from class 5, you are using pencils. Now you have come to a pen. Now you think, okay, we are into senior school now. We are proud. We have come into that group now. Isn't it? Now you are going to go and tell class 5, hey, you be quiet. Okay, you take care of yourselves, don't disturb, we are studying. So that's the attitude. We also had this. Every child has that. When you go to a senior class, you change your classes and you go to a new class, you get that Josh is there, inside. But in autumn, actually after the winter, autumn, spring, autumn, the woodcutters always came and felled. Felled means cut down. Cut some of the largest trees. Then they were laid in carts and the horses dragged them out of the wood. Lumbering is a very used thing. Lumbering is called cutting down of trees for business, for domestic use, for commercial use. We get plywoods, we need doors, we need wood for a lot of things. So actually there's a place or jungles are rather where trees are cut down, planted and then cut. So they are used, like you have mangroves, you have lychee groves, you have all fruit groves and vegetable groves where you have trees, once a season you get the fruits and you take care of those fruits, but for you cannot cut down those trees, right? You're going to be at loss. But the woods which are used for business or for plywoods, to make plywood it comes from a tree, but it has to be made, isn't it? Those plywoods, you cannot go that I'm making a house, I want a plywood, I want to use a plywood. You go to the jungle, cut a tree, and then how will you make it? So that has some process. Everything has a process. So you want to buy it from the market. Market buys it from a dealer. The dealer buys it from a factory, right? And the factory produces that. So the wood has to come from the jungle. Suppose I have a land and I have planted 10 trees. So they are going to grow big in the next year. So that when I cut that tree next year, I should have another 10 that, and those 10 trees are going to last with me for another 6 months. I can do business with that. Or 1 year I'll do business. So within that 1 year I need another stock of trees. So they'll keep planting. If they cut one, they'll plant 4, 5. So on their land only they'll want trees to come up, and they'll use that wood. Skin is used, or leaves are used. They are rotted together, then they're pasted and they're made thin sheets and sheets and sheets, and then made into plyboards. It's a huge process. I'll come back in the next video.